Hey, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is a quick overview of the Thule Evo Clamp WingBar Evo fit for the Kia Forte, also known as the Kia K3. This is for year models 2014 through 2018. So this roof rack system comprises three components. You have the Evo Clamp foot pack. You also have the WingBar Evo Load Bars in both black or silver, and then the vehicle specific fitting kit. So let me go over some of these components in detail up close, starting with the fitting kit. So the fitting kit is vehicle specific, and it will include a set of 4 rubberized metal door frame brackets, as well as 4 molded rubber base pads. So each of these components have numbers that correspond to the instruction sheet indicating exactly its position on the vehicle. So in some cases, you'll find that the rubber and the metal door frame bracket are different for each position. That indicates how precise a fit that this is for the vehicle. Next, let me show the load bar. So this is the WingBar Evo Load Bar. This is a very aerodynamic bar, giving low wind noise and low wind drag. It's also a very strong bar. It has a box beam construction, so it'll have very little flex. Also, the sophisticated box beam construction includes a track along the top of the bar. That track is accessible by flipping the end cap open, and you can slide the hardware for certain carriers directly into the bar, and it does not require cutting of the rubber strip since this rubber is slotted. Okay, so let me demonstrate how the foot engages onto the bar. So to do that, I'll just remove the end cap from the bar. There's also a rubber strip there, which I'll show you where that goes in a moment. And then also you have a slide scale. The slide scale also corresponds with numbers that are included on the instruction sheet, and that will indicate exactly its position on the vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and remove the outer cover, and that'll expose the silver spring-loaded release lever. So I'll press on that to release the portion that allows it to grip to the bar. So now with that release that holds its place onto the bar, I can go ahead and reinstall that rubber that I had removed just a moment ago. And then I can put the end cap back into place as well. Okay, next what we have are the fit kit components. So as mentioned, we have the rubber that just presses against the base around the perimeter. And then you have the rubberized metal door frame bracket that simply snaps into its position. And now it's ready to be attached to the roof. And it comes with a special torque indicating tool. So as you tighten, that tool will click, indicating it's been fully tightened and it's safe. Next, we have the outer cover, which just snaps into position. You can just turn this plug with a quarter turn to hold that into place. However, you do have the option to replace that plastic plug with a metal lock cylinder. And the metal lock cylinder will take the place of that plastic plug, providing an actual keyed lock interface to prevent easy access to this cover plate. Okay, so that's a quick overview of the Thule Evo Clamp base roof rack system for the Kia Forte, otherwise known as the K3 in certain markets. And this is from 2014 through 2018, and this is for the Sedan. So we also have additional information on the assembly of this roof rack system, complete start to finish. See the link in our video description here for the details on that, as well as a link to a page on the Rack Attack site where you can purchase this complete rack system. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.